We'll guide you through how to download and install Essential Mod in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Essential Mod really does enhance Minecraft with so many awesome features. For example, being able to play with your friends, more character customization, and more as well. So let's go and get started. Quit off Minecraft. What you need to do is go and open up a web browser. Now, just before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to Minecraft server host, and they've got so many awesome features. For example, one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers, and support, so you can get help anytime you need it, and your server will always be online. And so many other awesome features as well. And at the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. If you're interested, there'll be a link down below in the description and in the comments. And now let's go and continue with the guide. So all you want to do is come to a search engine, and you want to go and search for Essential Mod Minecraft as well, just so we get to the right site, and come to essential.gg. You can then go to the top right and go and click on download. You can also go and check out the features as well, but we're going to go and continue by downloading it just like so. And just like that, it's now downloaded the installer. Then all you need to do is go and click on it in your browser, or you can find it in your file explorer. So go and open it up. Come over to the left and click on downloads, and then what we can do is run the installer like so. You'll get a security pop-up, and Essential will go and start loading. Go and wait, and now what we can do is we can go and either create a new profile, or we can go and add it to an existing launcher profile. In this case, I'll just go and create a new one. So we'll have that selected and click on the arrow in the bottom right. Now what we can do is we can go and choose the version we want. So here we can go and see mod loader. So you could even have it running with Fabric or Forge. So it's going to be up to you. I'll just go and use Forge. This is really only important if you go and plan on adding mods with Essential. And so then what you choose here, you'll need to make sure you go and get mods for the same version, whether that be for Forge or for Fabric. And then for the Minecraft version, you can go and choose the version as well. I like to get the most recent version, but if there's a specific mod you want to go and use, then you may need to go and have a specific version. And so that's it. Then what we can do is press create in the bottom right, and it's going to go and create it. Go and wait. We've now successfully installed it, and what you can then do is we could go and do another install, or we can go to the bottom right and click on launch. And now the launcher is going to go and open up. And what's super important is that in the launcher, we go and select the Essential Mod. Now come to the left of the play button, and it should already be selected, but just make sure you go and select Essential or go and have the icon. You may have different versions, so make sure you select the correct one, and you can then go and click on play, like so. You need to go and understand your risks as you're playing with a modified version of Minecraft, but I'm going to go and press play as it's fine with me. Now let's wait for this to launch. And so now here we are. When you first open it up, you may get something about the narrator. You can just press the escape key or continue. And you're going to go and notice these additional sort of buttons, which we can go and use. And these are for Essential. So I'll give you a quick rundown. Also, if you want to install mods with Essential, click on mods, and you can then click on open mods folder. And then what you can do is go and drag them in here. Just make sure they're for the same version as you're running Essential and Forge on. In my case, it's 1.20.4 and Forge as well. So that's how you can add mods. If we go over to the right, we've got the option for host world, and that's so you can go and play with your friends. Before you do that though, come into the social tab, and what you can then do is start adding friends. They'll need to also go and use Essential, and then go to the top right and click on the add friend button, and you can enter in their Minecraft username and add them as a friend. When you go and add them, their friend request will then be sent, and they'll need to come to this page here and go and accept the friend request. It's that simple. Now come over to the right and click on host world, and what you can do is choose a world you want to host, or you can go and create a new one, then click next. Then what you can do is go and press proceed if you're sure. You can then go and choose some basic world settings here, then you can go and click on next. Now on this point here, you can then start inviting friends so they can go and join it. I haven't got any friends added, but that is how you can go and do it. You can then click on host world, and that world will be loaded. And another feature I want to go and show you is when you go and pause the Minecraft game, you can go to the bottom left and click on wardrobe. And here we can then go and start customizing your character. Now, as you can see, we can go and start buying things for our wardrobe.